guys, it's playtime. Today we have a new cash register. It has a nice color. It's pink. The scanner is yellow. Grocery basket is yellow. And look, there's play money. Alright, let's take out the plastic so we can play with it. It's a very cute cash register. This is the pretend credit card. Oh, look at this one. Such a cute bottles, pink and blue. This one is orange juice and this one is cider. The coins. We got 2 golden coins, 10, both 10 cents, and silver coins, lots of silver coins. To open the drawer, you have to press the thanks. There you go. Now we can put the coins and the card. Wow, it's a nice nursery rhyme for kids. It comes with a pretend invoice right here on the left side. You can roll it back. There you go. Alright, let's get the grocery basket. It's yellow with grocery toys right here. We got, Lala milk. It says here Lala milk. And this one is, this must be a cereal. That one looks like Tiger. And this is a pancake. What do you think? Yeah, it's a pancake mix, I think. And this one is chocolate. Oh, teeny tiny mango, I think. And banana. Very cute. Here's our first customer. Hello, welcome to Rarastar Supermarket. How's it going? I'm good, thank you. Did you find anything that you need today? Oh yes, I did. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Let's bring this cider. Lala milk. Chocolate. Mango. Total is 9,600. It's just pretend. It's very expensive. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a good one. You too. Bye. Next customer, please. Hello, welcome to Rarastar Supermarket. You ready to check out? Yes, thank you. Let's start checking out the orange juice. Next is the cereal. And pancake mix. The total is 9,600. Here you go. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
I forgot to wring this out because it's yellow. It's at the bottom of the basket. It's okay. We will give this free for her. Thanks for shopping with us. Have a good one. You too. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys and surprises. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one. Take care.